Marine biodiversity is really big, and at the moment we're not using this in full capacity. So one of the aspects of algal biotechnology to use these organisms for our benefits. All biotechnology is actually using features of biological organisms for the goods of human, and development of this research and science really needed at the moment because it's untapped source. There's so many species that we can use for different aspects of our life, like valuable biomass for compounds and also for cleaning aspects of air and water.
My research topic is algal biotechnology. It's a new innovation technology what we try to develop and basically explore for the different application, because algae is the small microorganisms growing in the water environment, but when we grow them in photobioreactor, then we can maximize culture. We can take lots of positive benefits from it. For example, algae can clean air and water because they need nitrogen and phosphorus from water, and they can take carbon dioxide, CO2 from the air. Another thing, then, when we cultivate in algae, we produce valuable biomass. This biomass is rich on lipids and omega-3, omega-6 oils, what is really good for human health, and other pigments as well. And different compounds, then it can be useful for the pharmaceutical, cosmeceutical application. In past, I work on really exciting project together with different companies involved, like Tata Steel, Welsh Water, and Axiom Process. And this project we established as well algal cultivation platform in Tata Steel facilities with main purpose to clean air. So algae need CO2, carbon dioxide, for their photosynthetic process, and they're highly adaptable organisms. So basically CO2, what is contained in flue gas from Tata Steel process, can be used in algal cultivation. So it's really exciting results, really innovative, because no other organisms can take CO2 from this kind of toxic flue gas. You would like to ask where we get money for our research. It's a really important question for nowadays. So at the moment, lots of my project was funded through European Union with different programs like Horizon 2020 and Interreg, when we basically focusing on research in regional in Europe parts. So at the moment we're really worried about our research after Brexit, because at the moment it's kind of uncertain situation. Governments don't know how money will be distributed, what will be allocated for research. We have research councils in the UK, but at the moment the funding is highly competitive, and lots of high top university like Oxford and Cambridge have taken most of their fundings. So Swansea University is not a high top rank of the university, but we have good position right now, specifically our bioscience department at the moment. We are working on it to get more accessible funding from the Research Council, but we rely a lot on European fundings. And we hope in the future UK will have agreement with Europe to fund the research like it was before, because for us it's really essential to continue our really innovative and important research for this area.